Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best engine degreasers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the POR15 Cleaner Degreaser. POR15 40101 engine cleaner degreaser is about as potent and versatile as they come. According to the people behind the product, the formula here represents a breakthrough in metal cleaners. Well, we don't really care for lofty promises like breakthrough, but we can't say that these people aren't on the money with that premise. The formula is non-flammable and water-based. It does not incorporate noxious odors, chlorinated solvents, or petroleum products. With it, you'll be able to easily clean and degrease metal, wood, fiberglass, plastic, and different painted surfaces including, but not limited to engines, fuel tanks, holding tanks, grease traps, and transformers. Moving on at number 4, we have the Oil Eater Original 1 Gallon Cleaner. Oil Eater Original delivers on the oil-eating promise. The formula is very well able to dissolve grease and oils from just about every surface. More importantly, it does so in the safest manner possible. It doesn't contain acids, abrasive, or petroleum solvents. The formula is water-based and biodegradable. You can use it with all systems, including septic. The solution is non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-hazardous, and USDA approved for non-food surfaces. Of course, we're talking about a concentrated product here, so make sure you're using the dilution chart available on the bottle to achieve maximum performance and value. At number 3, we have the Foam Spray Upper Engine Cleaner. Foam SS14 is a little less versatile than the previous products. This is an engine degreaser and cleaner first and foremost. It might be able to help you in other areas, but the solution has been specifically designed to primarily work with 2- or 4-stroke gasoline engines, including but not limited to GDI engines, standard fuel-injected engines, and carbureted engines. It will be able to cure hesitation, pings, stalls, flat spots, and rough idle that comes from carbon buildup. The product makes it possible to easily clean intake valves, pistons, and combustion chamber deposits. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Signature Series Orange Degreaser Spray. Chemical Guys know their cleaning solutions, and the CLD 201-16 Signature Series Orange Degreaser is no exception. The product's citrus-based formula will be able to handle the toughest jobs. It will help you clean engines, tools and machinery, tires, wheels, and different floors. The solution does an excellent job loosening and breaking down the toughest grease, dirt, oil, and grime for easy rinse afterward. The product makes it very well possible to remove the nastiest stains and dirt, grease, and grime buildups from your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, and even RV. You'll be able to remove that gunk, dirt, and grime from your favorite tires to bring back that original sleek black look. You can use the solution to clean and restore your wrenches, ratchets, and screwdriver shine. And finally, at number 1, we have the GUNK February 1st Foamy Engine Brite Engine Degreaser. GUNK February 1st Foamy is a really effective solution considering the very much affordable price tag it comes with. It isn't the best product on the list, but it is definitely better than anything that comes at the same price. The solution's powerful foam will be able to cling to vertical surfaces and effectively lift dirt, grime, grease, and oil. The thick foam will not do any damage to electrical components. Just let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes and hose it all off afterward. The formula's foaming action will be able to quickly remove dirt, dust, and road grime. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.